How to create permission sets in Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how it's done. So first, log into your Salesforce account and click on the gear icon from the top right corner and enter the setup option. From here, you simply just want to click on the quick find and search for permission sets. Once you find it, simply click on it. And all you need to do to create a new one is click on new. Go ahead and give it a name and a description. So usually you're just going to keep the license as none and click on save. Now from here you are pretty much done, but you want to actually start setting things up. For example, you have the object settings here. Usually you want to go for this one, and you can just add specific things like access to accounts or leads or opportunities or any object really. So for example, let's just try to find leads, and you can just click on that or any object, and you are going to be able to give specific access. Like for example, the usual ones: read, create, edit, delete, and so on. In order to actually edit them, all you need to do is click on edit from the top here. You should be able to find the name of the object and edit next to it. Click on that, and everything is going to be opened up here for you. For example, the read, create, edit, delete, and so on. And you also are going to be able to set the different fields that they have access to, either read access or edit access. You can select all and click on save. Obviously, it really just depends on what you want to give when it comes to permissions. You can just click on save once you're happy with this, and you can just go back over here. So in here, again, you have a lot of different things that you can give access to, like assigned apps, apps permissions, and so on. But usually it's going to be the object settings and maybe even the system permissions, or usually the system permissions is the default one you would want it to go for here. For example, I want to allow this permission sets to have someone be able to export things. So we can just go and open up the system permissions, and we can find specific settings by going to the search or just simply searching for them. But again, you want to click on edit so you can actually give access. And you can just go and select whichever one that you need for this permission set. For example, export reports. I'm just going to check this and go to the top, save, save again. And that's it. This is pretty much how to give permissions. Now, lastly, you want to assign this to specific people. Otherwise, what's the point of this permission set? So just go back to the main one permission set, select the actual one we have just created, and click on manage assignments. Go ahead and click on add assignment from the top right corner and select the people that you want to assign this permission set to, and click on next. Click on assign, and finally click on done, and you are pretty much good to go. So this is pretty much how to create a permission set in Salesforce. Hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.